Living with chronic fatigue syndrome is like being trapped in a body that no longer listens to you. The symptoms go beyond just feeling tired. It's an all-consuming exhaustion that no amount of sleep can fix. You're tired, but wired. Your mind is foggy. Your heart races. Day after day, you're overwhelmed from headaches, dizziness, and dozens of other unpredictable symptoms. Sometimes even the simple act of standing feels impossible. This condition doesn't just steal your energy, it steals your life. Relationships suffer because you can't be there for the people you love. Your career, your hobbies, everything you once cared about seems to slip through your fingers. And the worst part is the isolation. People may not understand the invisible weight you carry, leaving you feeling alone and misunderstood. Doctors used to look at me like I was crazy, and all my tests were coming back perfectly fine.
You're just tired, you have no energy, you're just stuck.
There's a reason people call this the invisible illness. Because on the outside, you seem fine, but on the inside, your world is falling apart. I know this pain because I've lived it. I kept pushing through, thinking it was just stress or bad habits, and the harder I tried, the worse I got. For years, I lived with that same exhaustion. I've been in that dark place where even the smallest task feels impossible.
I've been holding this phone feels like 20 pounds right now. My legs feel like really heavy.
At my lowest, I was living just to make it through the day. I was living just to survive. But I'm here to tell you that there's hope. Because I know what it feels like to get a second chance at life. I know what it's like to go from surviving to thriving. To go from drinking blended meals to enjoying any food. To go from struggling to roll over in bed to exercising at 100%. From being terrified to stepping outside my door to traveling across the world. You may feel like no one gets it, but I do, and I'm here to help you take control, just like I did for myself and countless others. I don't believe in accidents, and there's a reason you came across this video today. If any of what I shared resonates with you, if you're going through some similar experiences, join our community today. Click the link and learn how we're helping people all around the world recover using a simple step-by-step system. I'll see you on the inside.